From the Auto Attendant page, select Edit to configure the new Auto Attendant. The screen will expand to display the configuration options for the new Auto Attendant. Begin by naming the new Auto Attendant here. For this example, we will assume that we are creating an Auto Attendant for open or standard operating hours. The first tab lists the menu keys. These are the options that will be available to incoming callers, accessible by selecting the corresponding number on their telephone keypad. One of the most popular features of an Auto Attendant is the ability to dial by extension number. In order to utilize the dial by extension function, you must know the leading digit of all your assigned extension numbers. If all your extension numbers fall within the 100 to 199 range, and therefore start with the number 1, you must set the 1 key as prompt for extension. If you have assigned extensions that span multiple leading digits, for example, those in the 100, 200, and 300 ranges, then menu keys 1, 2, and 3 must all be set to prompt for extension. After selecting the correct menu key option, enter the optional greeting script that describes the menu key function to the caller, who will then be prompted to enter the extension number of the person or department they would like to reach. Another popular function is the ability to access the dial by first or last name directory. Select the option from the drop-down menu and enter the greeting script in the box to the right. Repeat for last name directory if required. If a caller selects the menu key for either the first or last name directory, they will hear a prompt explaining how to search for the person they wish to reach. Once the first few letters of the name have been entered, the caller will be able to select from a list of possible matches. If you are using the search by first or last name feature, you must ensure that each extension has their directory name recorded. An administrator can record the directory name from the Extension Manager page, and an individual user can access the My Directory recording widget from their own dashboard. If the directory name is not recorded, a caller will hear Unknown Subscriber and not the name of the person they are trying to reach. You can also choose to send callers to any of the call groups that you have configured. This routes an incoming call to all members of that call group, thereby giving any available member the ability to answer an incoming call. Select Call Group, then choose from the drop-down menu and enter the greeting script. If your account includes the EQs or Contact Center feature, then you have the option to send callers to call center services. Selecting Call Center Services reveals an additional drop-down menu that lists all available call center queues that you have configured on your account. Choose the required queue and enter a greeting in the box to the right. You may also give the caller the option to be routed to a specific user extension. Select the extension and again enter the greeting script. This feature can be very useful in smaller offices or when configuring submenus, as it allows you to list the members of a department in the submenu. For more information, please see our video, How to Manage Auto Attendant Submenus. As a general rule, callers will select 0 when they are unsure which menu key option they require. It is therefore a good idea to set menu key 0 to route to a receptionist or operator. All unassigned menu keys should be set to invalid key so as to avoid confusion for callers who inadvertently select an unassigned number. A very useful feature of the Auto Attendant menu is that you can assign the star key to voicemail retrieval. This hidden option allows employees to dial in from any phone to retrieve their voicemails by selecting star, then entering their extension and voicemail PIN number. Once all menu keys have been assigned and saved, the next step is to set the greetings and, if needed, to create submenus. Be sure to record your Auto Attendant greetings to create the voice recordings that will match your chosen